seems like we've been near there. You can send a video to it.
Maintenant? À cette heure-ci?
Does it seem like we've been near
Enfin, moi je suis au boulot, merde! Bah là oui, maintenant oui, mais...
Je vais te payer.